I'm Paul Welburn, Exec Chef at the Oxford Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to do the perfect fillet steak. It's a prime ingredient. There's only one way to cook it, and that's properly. First things first, we'll get a nice portion steak. So off the fillet, we're going to cut around about an 8-ounce fillet. There's no point cooking a steak fridge cold, so bring it out 20 minutes, half an hour before, room temperature, then we're good to go. Now you can see on there, beautiful meat. It's a tender cut, so it's treated with respect. So we'll start off, a little bit of seasoning. Some people say don't season it before. I disagree. A little bit of seasoning all the way through can't harm the actual steak. A little bit of black pepper. Beef works so well with black pepper. Okay, all over. And then a little bit of oil just to lubricate it when it goes into the pan. Okay, so we're trying to pick up all those seasonings, work it into it, and now we're good to go. The pan has to be smoking hot. You need that crust. There's no point in a cold pan. The meat will bring down temperature too quickly. You end up stewing the steak. That's the last thing we want. We want flavour, crust, all around the meat. And then straight in, cut side down. Make sure you move it around the pan, make sure it doesn't stick. And the key now is do not keep moving that steak. You want to get that crust. You want to make sure that's sealed on there, the colour, that's where the flavour is. So give that a couple of minutes, nice and golden at the bottom. We'll do the same on the top side. Make sure you move it around and stick. You can see that colour on there. That's what you're looking for. Okay, so bottom side's the same. And then we go around all the edges now and make sure they're also not missing out on getting the heat, the caramelise. Make sure all that flavour is kept inside the steak. Okay, so once you cut it all over the outside, we place it back onto the base, and then we add in some flavourings to it. So a little bit of garlic, just garlic just being broken, crushed. Not about peeling it, just for flavour. Garlic works so well with beef. Marriage made in heaven. Along with that, some herbal notes, a little bit of thyme, tiny sprig of rosemary. And then we add my favourite ingredient, butter. By adding the butter now, this is where we add the flavour. So the butter brings the flavour into it. Oils for colour, butters for flavour. And the key now is to regulate that butter. Basting over all the time, adding flavour to flavour. Keeping that heat working through. More butter. From Yorkshire after all. You're looking at about 2 to 3 minutes on each side for sealing it, and about 2 or 3 minutes just basting for a nice medium rare. So now we have a perfectly cooked, got a nice spring to it, but obviously the heat's on the outside, you want it to penetrate the centre. So the key now is to take it off the heat and let it rest for a good 10 minutes. And that for me is a perfect fillet steak.